Moving on to the other major dollar pairs, we've got AUDUSD and NZDUSD. Starting off with AU on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structuring towards the upside, and this is our current swing range that we're trading within. We've liquidated this low over here, so now we're just waiting for that price action to show us that we're ready to start targeting the week swing high. Ideally, what I would like to see here is the push up, push back down, break this low. This becomes supply, see that break, and then look for longs from the area of daily demand that would be created. Still a little bit more development though on that pair. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, it's still not perfect because we are bearish on the 4-hour time frame. It is important to note though that we have seen that internal break of structure here, which does indicate that we could see higher prices. However, following the dump off from FOMC and a liquidation of this low, which has not seen any bullish price action come in, I do anticipate this to come down now, and the most likely target would be this liquidity low over here. We now go on to NZDUSD. We can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structuring towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We've liquidated this low over here before seeing that supply chain break, pushing price in towards the upside. However, if we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are now currently swing bearish, similar to AU. We've had our break of structuring towards the downside over here, and this is the current swing range that we're now trading within. I only see this as an internal break. You could consider this your 4-hour structure, and in that sense, we have just broken structure. This is a supply zone, so we could anticipate that failing to come up and take out these highs here. However, just bear in mind that this high here could just act as that liquidity that causes that pushing towards the downside to occur.